Hello guys. Welcome to my tech world.
Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing okay. So Xiomi Corporation executive has titled the launch of a replacement smartphone underneath the MI combined lineup, and currently he has confirmed that the MI combined smartphone is being launched this year. This may be a fourth generation model within the lineup. Several Xiomi executives have jointly taken to Weibo to reveal that the corporation is additionally set to launch a replacement pill later this year. It remains to be seen if the forthcoming tablets are launching together with the MI Combined 4 smartphone. Once the forthcoming MI Combined phone was titled by Lee Jun many days past. It had been touted to be the foremost costly phone from the Chinese companies. However, not much is thought regarding the forthcoming MI combined smartphone now. Reports said that the corporate will be choosing a foldable style, which is a close shot of a book. In this case, it will be the primary foldable smartphone from Xiomi. Another change is that the corporation would adopt the new four-side body of water show with 88-degree curves on all sides. The show was unveiled many days ago with a smartphone planned, and it might find you being employed within the MI Combine 4. Although Xiomi corporate executive Lee Jun has confirmed to launch the company's new MI Combine smartphone later this year, there is no timeline accessible for this. It's a noteworthy that the MI Combine devices are launched once every 2 years. As for the pill, there's no data accessible regarding this at now, not even its name. However, it will be attention grabbing to envision what the corporation has planned, as long as the last tablet device launched by Xiomi was MI Tab 4 in 2018. So stay with us for our next video to get this type of new update of mobile technology. Stay safe and stay home. Take care. Peace out.